Welcome to Nino's Math class. Today we are discussing probability and chance. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. So let's start. What is probability? Probability is the measure or chance of a occurrence of a particular event. That is called the probability. That is, probability is the measure or chance of occurrence of a particular event is called probability. Then number of outcomes or sample space. The set of all possible outcomes of the sample space. That is, set of all possible outcomes of an event is called sample space. We know that while tossing a coin, the possible sample space equal to head or tail, head and a tail. That is, tossing a coin, we get either head or tail. Then rolling a die, what is the possible outcomes? One side has it has 6 sides. Die has 6 sides, so possible outcome is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the number of outcomes or sample space for tossing a coin is h comma t, head or tail. Then rolling a dice, a sample space equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is some introduction to probability. Next, what is the equation to calculate probability of an event? Probability of an event can be calculated as number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of possible outcomes. That is, number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of possible outcomes. That is, this is the sample space. Total number of possible outcome means sample space. When there is occurrence chance there to happen, then the probability will be 1. When there is no chance to occur, then the probability will be 0. This is important. How we calculate probability of an event can be calculated by number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of possible outcomes. We can check with another examples. Okay. First example, tossing a coin. What is the probability of getting head? This is the first example. We know that probability of an event equal to number of favorable outcome by total number of possible outcome. Here what is the total number of possible outcomes? That is sample space S is equal to head comma tail. This is the possible total number of possible outcome, which is equal to 2. Then we want to find number of favorable outcome. Number of favorable outcome, which is equal to what is tossing a coin, what is probably getting a head. There is only one head. Then possible outcome is 1. Then we can calculate probability of an event by number of favorable outcome by total number of outcome. That is, which is equal to 1 by 2. This is the answer. That is, tossing a coin, the probability of getting a head is 1 by 2. What is the probability of getting a tail? Similarly, sample space remains 2. The number of favorable outcome for getting tail equal to 1. Then probability of getting tail also equal to 1 by 2. This is very basic problem for probability. Second example, rolling a die. What is the probability of getting 4? The number 4. We know that possible outcome, that is sample space for rolling a die is, for a die is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 faces for a die. Then what is the probability of getting 4? That is the favorable outcome. Favorable outcome is equal to, what is that? 1. Then what is here? Total probability is 6. Then what is probability of this event? That is getting 4 is equal to 1 by 6. This possible outcome are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. Then favorable outcome is only 1, 4. Then 1. Then probability of getting 4 equal to 1 by 6. That is favorable outcome by total number of possible outcomes. Third example, what is the probability of getting an even number when a dice is rolled? When a die is rolled, what is the probability of getting an even number? We know that sample space is equal to what is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A dice has 6 faces. Then what is the favorable outcomes? Favorable outcomes is equal to getting a even number. What are they? Here even numbers 2, 4, 6. These are 3 even numbers and 6 are the number of sample space. Then probability of even equal to 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 by 6, which is equal to 1 by 2. That is the probability of a even number when a dice is rolled is 1 by 2. Getting an even number. Okay. Hope everyone understood probability and related problems about it. Then we are concluding this chapter, that is data handling, third chapter of class 7. So thanks for watching my video. Thank you.